Guys, Tom Eckers at MarineMax in Pensacola. Just want to take a quick moment out of your day, show you this brand new 2020 Sea Ray 290 SDX that we have in inventory. I think you're really going to like it. The 290 is a fantastic family boat. It is yacht certified, so you can have as many people as you want on this boat. Fill it out with all your friends, all your family. Really beautiful sun pad on the back of this boat. You also have on the other side of this swim platform a nice kick down swim foot step. So that's going to let you just kind of sit in the water, float there, enjoy the water, enjoy the swim deck. Even though we have outboards on this boat, really easy entry with that little step right there. As we move into the boat, past this little sun pad here, plenty of room for seating. This one has that blue LED light. We got it on now. I don't know if you can see it in the video. If you can't, you can always come in and see it in person. But plenty of room in here. The 290 SDX has a lot of nice features for moving these seats around, giving you versatility, letting you play with this seating configuration wherever you want. If you don't need all this seating here and you want a little bit more for family, just switching it up a little bit, enjoying it. Also on the 290 SDX, we've got a really nice head unit. So if somebody needs to get out of the elements, they need to just take a break. I got a sink in there, good sized bathroom, nice sized headroom. Even me, I'm 6'2", I can comfortably be inside there. Not a big deal. Finally, I'm going to show you the dash, the cockpit, and where the driver kind of commands the boat. Really nice SimRad display up here, Fusion sound system. This boat is the very first boat in Sea Ray's lineup that has twin engines. It is the smallest one when you do the outboards with it. So because of that, I've got joystick piloting right here. Even my grandmother can drive this boat, and I don't trust her with anything. But this joystick piloting is going to make it really nice, really easy to maneuver this boat. You can put it wherever you want. If you have any questions about this boat, if you want to find out more about it, by all means, ask for myself. My name is Tom Eckers, or any of those sales professionals here at MarineMax Pensacola. As always, like and subscribe for more videos.